Yeah.
Lowry is 2 for 3, and as a righty.
What do you got? What's it doing? You dancing? Ayla, come here. You're too close to the bike. Lala. Yoo-hoo! Come here. Come here, Chica. Come here, little peanut. Oh, careful. You already fell down. Ayla. Ayla. Ayla Renee. Ayla Renee. Come here. You and those goofy coasters. I don't know what your deal is with them. Where are you going? Sweetie, Brian's not here. Brian went to work. Yeah, he went to work. He's kind of crazy like that. Friday and Saturday night. Yeah, Brian went to work. You and those silly coasters. Ayla, can you say hi? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Maybe you'll be a musician.
Bye-bye.
Hi. Hi. Say hi, Grandma. I think we're going to shut the door because I think there's too many spiders that get in from out there. Oh, what's that? What's Grandma doing? Huh? I think this is the latest you've been up whenever you've been in my house. Uh-oh, you left your coasters behind. Better get them. Better get those coasters. Oh, no, no, no. No, don't open the fridge. I realize it's just your size, but but don't open it, please. Ayla, is it time to go night-night? Is it time to go night-night? You and that goofy bristly rug. Yeah, okay, that's Aki. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, let's go. What's the matter, sweeties? There you go. Come on. Come on. Oh, there's no reason to cry. I don't want to have a video of you crying. Silly goose. Where's your Bink? I know you're at the age you should be done with it. Night-night. Is it time to go night-night? You want to go night-night? Night-night? That's the wrong end, honey. Hey, Ayla, you want to go night-night? Go night-night. Yeah, sorry, sweetie, Brian's not here. Quit looking for him. You want to go night-night? You want your Banks? I don't think we need shoes. You want to go night-night?